But once you will do this practical, anytime I will take the oral. During the next lab also, if it is required, then I will take the oral that time. Okay. But now for today's turn, you have to complete it. Okay. And you have to submit it. I will provide you one Google form link for that submission. Okay. So now, first, roll number 1 to 5. Okay. Roll number 1 to 5, you write your problem statement. Okay. Write your problem statement. 1 to 5 roll numbers. Have you done all the assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down your problem statement. Half subtractor using NAND gate. Half subtractor using NAND gate and full adder using basic gates. Okay, half subtractor using NAND gate and full adder using basic gates. Now here, full adder using basic gates, don't use the XOR gate. You have to use AND, OR, and NOT. Okay, full adder using basic gates, right? Basic gates are AND, OR, and NOT. Don't use the XOR gate over here. You have to use basic gates only. Okay, so this is the assignment that you have to complete. Now don't write in the write-up what you have to write. You have to first write this title. Okay, your name, your roll number. Okay, this title. After that, you have to draw the truth table. And after truth table, draw the circuit diagram. After circuit diagram, whatever the implementation that you will do, you have to take the screenshot of that. Okay, and you have to paste that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that is required for this oral. Okay, this is nothing but your submission for the oral now. Okay, truth table, circuit diagram, and 2-3 screenshots you take and you just insert in that document. Make one PDF. Okay, I will send you that link. On that you have to submit it. Fine. So now whatever the link I am going to provide you for that, you have to submit all the 4 assignments also. Okay, so I will give you some time for that if you will be required the time, because I'm expecting the submission for the first 4 assignment and 1 submission for midterm oral. This the problem statement that now I am providing. Okay, so in one link only you have to submit both the files. Assignment number 1 to 4, make one PDF. If you have completed, make one PDF of that. That one file you have to submit, and another file that is nothing but the assignment that is given for the mock oral.
Ma'am, when do I have to submit all 4 assignments? Means actually my 4th assignment is little bit remaining.
Okay.
So
okay, so for if the 4th assignment is remaining, I will give you the time to submit till Sunday. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
On Sunday evening.
Yes, by Sunday. By Sunday, you have to complete all the 4 assignments and the assignment that I am giving now. That also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is no Viva today.
No Viva because I am having the maybe project examination. Okay, at 3 p.m. So not possible to take for all the students. Randomly, I will take any time whenever during the next lab. So that's what I'm providing this. Based on this only, I will ask the question next time.
And ma'am, ma'am, for the assignments, is written content expected, or we can just copy paste?
Which assignments?
For the assignments that were given previously.
For that, whatever it is provided, I have provided one soft copy, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Whatever it is given, that complete you have to write.
Okay, we have to write. Okay.
Yes, along with the circuit diagram, along with the truth table, theory, K-map.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Understood.
Now from roll number 5 to 10. Full adder using NAND gate. Full adder using NAND gate. and half subtractor using basic gates. Okay, C division also writing the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. A division roll number 5 to 10 and C division roll number 5 to 10. Write the same problem statement. Full adder using NAND gate and half subtractor using basic gates.
From 5 to 10 or 6 to 10?
Sorry, 6 to 10. 1 to 5 is done, 6 to 10. Okay, so see, I will check any time this particular implementation. It should be ready with you. Okay, so while after implementation, there is an option of save circuit, right, on the Dell sim. So you can save your circuit that you will automate that particular file you will get automatically on your mail ID, official mail ID, right? Or else maybe that will be saved in the saved circuits. You can see it. It will be getting saved in the that folder, one folder it is there. If you will click on saved circuits, that particular file will be getting saved. Okay. So I'll be checking any time the implementation of all this. Okay.
And today or next lab?
That's what I am giving the time till Sunday. Okay. Whenever we'll get the time for oral, I will take any time.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम ये पूरे लिखने की सिर्फ सर्किट इंप्लीमेंट करके रेडी रखना है ये
मैंने
लिखने का फॉर्मेट क्या है मैं अभी जो आपने दिया क्वेश्चन हमें फुल एडर यूजिंग NANड एंड हाफ एडर यूजिंग बेसिक गेट्स
मैंने
इसमें
अभी
लिखना है
स्टार्टिंग में बोला है आपको
Yes,
इसमें
ma'am,
क्या
मैं
क्या
समझ
लिखना है. इसमें आपको टाइटल लिखना है. ठीक है. ये टाइटल होने के बाद में आपको ट्रुथ टेबल निकालना है. ट्रुथ टेबल के बाद में सर्किट डायग्राम एंड देन द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ डेल सिम. ओके.
ओके थैंक यू मैम
ओके, जस्ट वेट. Okay, next group. Roll number 10, 11 to 15. Note down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
1 to 5 can we leave?
Attendance is remaining, no? Just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
11 to 15. Half adder using basic gates. Half adder using basic gates. And full subtractor using NAND gates. And full subtractor using NAND gate. Okay. Next.
मैम ये सर्किट डायग्राम में भी हमें नॉट और नैंड एंड यूज करना है या और यूज कर सकते हैं मैम डायग्राम के लिए?
नहीं, बेसिक गेट्स जिधर भी बोला है उधर एंड और नॉट ही यूज करना है.
ओके हम डायग्राम में भी ठीक है.
Okay. Wherever I am giving the basic gates, there you have to compulsory use and or and not. Okay. Now next 16 to 20. Roll number 16 to 20. Binary to gray. Binary to gray. And half adder using NAND gate. Binary to gray and half adder using NAND gate. Okay. Next 21 to 25. 21 to 25. BCD to access 3. BCD to access 3. And full adder using basic gates. Full adder using basic gates and or not. Okay. Next is 26 to 30. 26 to 30 BCD adder. Only single assignment you have to do, BCD adder. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Because that is lengthy assignment. It requires time to design the circuit. So only one assignment is given, BCD adder. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next 31 to 35. 31 to 35 binary to gray. Binary to gray. And BCD to access 3. Okay. Next 36 to 40. 36 to 40. Again BCD adder. In BCD adder, you have to draw the truth table. Okay. You have to draw the truth table. Then you have to draw the circuit diagram. And then you have to draw the, then you have to insert the image of DelSim. Okay. Next 41 to 45.
Ma'am, we have only BCD adder.
Yes, you have only BCD adder.
Okay, ma'am.
Next 41 to 45, A division. Full adder using basic gates. Basic gates means using and or not. Okay. And BCD to access 3. BCD to access 3. Okay. Next one 46 to 50. 46 to 50. In your syllabus, binary to gray is given. Okay, second assignment, third assignment, right? That you have done. Binary to gray and BCD to XS3. But you can also do gray to binary, right? So 46 to roll number 50, I have given the assignment that is gray to binary. Only one assignment, that is gray to binary. Okay, is it okay? Will you do this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Means if gray input it is there, okay, output should be binary, reverse.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you try this. In the book also it is given. Okay, you can explore this particular part, right? Next one, 51 to 55. 51 to 55. XS3 to BCD. (51 to 55) XS3 to BCD. Again, this you have to do it by yourself. You can take the help of notes. Okay. In the notes here it is provided the truth table, K-map, design. Okay. And based on that, you can design the circuit. You can implement it. Next, 56 to 60. 56 to 60 BCD adder. Then 61 to 65. 61 to 65 full subtractor using NAND gate. Full subtractor using NAND gate. And binary to gray. Okay, and binary to gray. Okay, and next, that is from 66 to 71. From 66 to 71, full subtractor using basic gate. Full subtractor using basic gate. And you can try this half adder using NOR gate. Okay, half adder using NOR gate. You just note it down. NAND gate you have already done, right? But you have to try for NOR gate. With using NOR gate, how you can implement the half adder. Is it okay? Yes, students. Is there any query now? Okay. So you complete this particular part. Okay. I am giving you the time till Sunday. All the 4 assignments and this particular assignment that now I have given for as a midterm. Okay. I'm expecting this should be completed. Okay. On or before Sunday. Right. And any time I will ask for the implementation that you have completed. Okay. That time you don't say, ma'am, it is not completed. Right. So I will ask to share your screen and you have to show me the implementation. Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, after Sunday, right?
Yes, after Sunday, next week.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम XOR गेट कहीं पे भी नहीं यूज कर सकते ना कि कर सकते हैं
नहीं, जिधर मैंने बोला है अभी आई थिंक कौन से तो भी ग्रुप को बोला है उनको ही सिर्फ XOR गेट से यूज करना है. बाकी अगर बेसिक गेट बोला है तो कंपलसरी एंड और नॉट करना है आपको.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Any other query?
Ma'am, this Sunday, na, we have to submit?
Yes, by this Sunday.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Make sure that you have to submit the PDF only. Okay, that I have written on that instruction part.
Okay.
all four assignments, you have to make one PDF. Don't take separate copies of PDF. You
Okay.
have to
Okay. Means
combine.
combined PDF.
You have to make assignment 1, then after that 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, and after that you can save it as a PDF. Okay, and then you have to submit it. You
Ma'am,
And
what about the today's
what you have
assignment?
to rename the file? PDF.
Your file, you can rename it with your roll number. Okay,
Okay.
with your roll number, assignment 1 to 4. Write your roll number complete. That I have written over there. Okay, in the instruction part, you will get
Okay,
an
okay.
idea.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, do we need to add a theory part too?
For what theory part?
Ma'am, for the this what you have told for this assignment.
No, the assignment that now I have given, for that it is not required theory, only truth table, circuit diagram and Delsim circuit that you have implemented. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, theory is not required, but the assignment 1 to 4, there theory, whatever I have provided, okay, soft copy I have provided completely like that, it should be there in the assignment.
Ma'am, are you providing link for his submission?
Yes, I will provide it.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम पांचों का एक ही PDF टोटल करना है ना कंफर्म के लिए? ओके।
पांचों का मीन्स
मतलब वही 4 असाइनमेंट्स और एक ही आज जो दिया है।
यस, एक नहीं करना है, 4 असाइनमेंट का एक करना है
Okay.
और ओरल का एक सेपरेट करना है.
ओके मैम।
ठीक है. और roll number 1 to 5, whenever you are submitting your assignment, you have to submit roll number wise. You have to write roll number, name carefully. Okay, on each and every assignment. Assignment number 1 के ऊपर आपका नेम रोल नंबर चाहिए, assignment 2 के ऊपर भी आपका रोल नंबर नेम चाहिए. Okay, don't submit without adding roll number and name. I will not accept that. Okay, so make sure that you are adding all the details and then only you are going to submit that particular file. Okay, is there any question? Don't submit the image. Okay, only PDF you can attach.
Okay.
Okay, other than this, any doubt in the assignment?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, so for the next assignment, this is about the midterm. Okay, likewise we'll be taking the submission, and after that, as I said, now oral I'll be taking later. Okay, and for the next practical, for the today's practical also, we are going to, means not next assignment, we are going to post on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so once you will complete with this, you can start with the next assignment. Okay, so BCD adder, it may take a time to complete that assignment. That is very much important to understand the concept also. If you will be finding any difficulty, tomorrow you can ask me, no problem. Okay, in the BCD adder, if you are facing any problem while implementation, because this circuit, it is the implementation, it is not provided on the Delsim. On the Delsim simulator, only BCD subtractor circuit implementation it is provided. Adder it is not given. Okay, so that's what you just go through video 1 and video 2 that I have posted on the Bodhi tree. Okay, inside the BCD adder topic, there are 2 videos. In the first video, there is a concept along with the circuit diagram and all that. And in the second video, along with the Delsim simulator, connections are done. Okay, so that is shown. So likewise, you do the connection. It's very difficult. You have to try it 2-3 times, then only you will get the output. Okay. So if you will be finding any difficulty, if you will not get the output, you just go through that video again. Okay.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, in the assignments 1 to 4, we just have to attach the screenshot in the file which you have given. Na?
Yeah, yes, but that complete file you have to write.
Oh, okay.
This should be handwritten. You have to write it, means this should be handwritten. Okay, circuit diagram you have to draw, and then you have to paste the screenshot of your implementation.
Only circuit diagram or ma'am all part?
All part you have to write. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
From assignment number 1 to 4, complete theory part along with whatever it is provided in the soft copy, you have to write it. Okay, only for this assignment that I have just now given, for that no theory part is required, only the truth table, circuit diagram, and just insert the implementation of your Delsim simulator and save that circuit on your folder. Okay, on your Delsim, on your account of Delsim. Right? So is it okay? Any doubt? Okay. Roll number A, C division first. Roll number 1. Present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just call from your side only roll number.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 1 present.
Roll number 2 present.
3 present.
C division, roll number 4 is absent. Next.
5 present. 5.
6 present.
7 present.
6.
8 present.
9 present.
10 present.